Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Let's talk about another key term that you would be hearing a lot nowadays, which is agentic AI. Now, it has been around 3 years since generative AI came out, and it is still in a maturity phase where teams are using it to solve cases, thinking about what else can be done, how do we enable teams to use Gen AI at scale. But in the middle of all this, the focus has shifted one step further, and now everybody is talking about agentic AI. So, in a way, it is good. It's an example of how fast AI technologies and models are evolving. But then again, what really is agentic AI? How is it different from generative AI? And what is so powerful in it that is really making news everywhere? Let's try to understand that. And let's understand things in a simple way before we go into the technical details. Let's say you want to book a trip to New York. So, what you will do is you will first look up the flights, then you will look for hotels, you will look for places to visit, restaurants around it to eat. And what you are doing here is you are going in a sequential way, doing things one by one, making decisions along the way, like what is the best hotel, which places I should visit, what is a good vegan restaurant, all of that. Now, contrast it with offloading this work to somebody. You just call the travel help desk and tell that, hey, I want a 5 days trip to New York. I want to the key landmarks, stay at a budget hotel. My meal preference is vegan. And this person will do everything for you. They will find the best flight, best hotel. They will create an itinerary for you, know where you would be at a certain time of the day, so can they can find the best place to eat around that. So this person is doing everything without requiring continuous inputs from you. They can make decisions on your behalf because you have told them your end goal, which is what you need, and based on that goal they can take care of the entire end-to-end execution and also make decisions along the way. And you know what this person is called? A travel agent. And this exact same concept of agents that we have in the world today is incorporated in the AI world too. Have AI systems which can act on their own, they can plan things, they can execute things, they can make decisions, all based on the goal that you have provided. And this entire technology is called as agentic AI. And the components in there which do all this work are called as AI agents. So, agentic AI refers to AI systems that can plan things, make decisions, execute them end to end, all based on a goal that you have provided. And the key thing is that they can do all of it autonomously without requiring continuous human involvement. And notice that I'm not saying no human involvement, there is still a human in the loop reviewing the final outcome. The human intervention is not required continuously. So, this is what an agentic AI system is. You can have agentic AI systems that can execute the entire workflow for you, booking an entire trip. Or you can have systems that can look at system failures, plugging the errors, solving them, creating tickets, sending out email communication. The agentic system can handle all of this end to end on its own. Likewise, you have a case where agents can write the code, test it, fix the bugs that come, deploy the changes. Again, agents can handle entire end to end flows fully autonomously with minimal human in. And that is the biggest capability of agentic AI, being able to make decisions, being able to handle end to end workflows on their own with minimal human involvement. Okay, now the next question that will come in your mind is, okay, this is great, but how does it happen? How does the whole thing work? So this is a rendering of how agentic AI system works. And again, this is a simple way to present them. In reality, these are complex systems with multiple utility agents, each doing a certain task, and supervisor agent overseeing the entire execution, reviewing the results, making sure that the end goal is met. But to keep it simple, an agentic AI system is made up of various agents, and each agent has a few key attributes. One, they get input or a goal, could be from the user or could be from a supervisor agent. So the Human input is not needed at each and every step, like I have been saying. It is only you only need to provide your end goal, which is what you want, instructions, and the agent will plan and execute everything. So once it has the goal, it will get into a planning stage. It will go ahead and make decisions autonomously. It has a certain memory by which it remembers things and how it will operate. You can also provide it knowledge base documentations on how it should work. You can invoke what we call as tools and think of tools as code that will allow you to connect to external system. So for example, in our New York case, the agent had to book a flight, but to do that, to book the cheapest flight for you, they need to know the price of each flight. So agents can invoke tool which can connect to the flight engine via an AI, get all the information, and that way it would help it make a decision which flight is the cheapest. And all of this that you see on the screen here keeps happening in multiple iterations. The agent would get the information from the tool, from the knowledge base. On that, it will check whether the goal has been met or not. If not, let's go ahead and replan, go to plan B, plan C, plan Z, all of it autonomously without any human involvement. This whole cycle will repeat end to end until the goal is met, until the entire New York trip is booked. And at the heart of all this is the LLM. The LLM is the reasoning engine, the brain behind the agent, guiding it along the way, interpreting the ask, interpreting the results. Does it match? Very good. No, let's go back and replan. All of that is handled by the LLM. The same LLM we have been seeing using generative AI so far. But of course, these are new models, these are more advanced, capable models that can handle orchestration, that can handle tool invocation, memory management much, much better than legacy models that you are seeing. So again, this is a simple view of an agent, and a combination of this creates a multi-agent or agentic AI system. Like I said, it's a very complex setup and requires a lot of coding and orchestration. But for now, I hope this gives you a good idea of what agentic AI is and why it is the next buzz because of its ability to make decisions and execute end-to-end workflows autonomously without continuous human involvement. All right. So that was all about agentic AI. Let's go into the next video and check out another topic. I'll see you in there. Thank you.